Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disabling camera and microphone access on your Android phone. So the Android operating system, if you basically want to just disable apps from being able to use your camera, specific apps, or the same case with microphones too. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And then you want to go down and select the security and privacy tile. And then go down again underneath privacy and select privacy controls. And then select the permission manager tile up at the top. And then you can go ahead underneath either the camera, we can just start with the camera here, and any apps in here you want to allow or deny permission to, just select the app and then select either don't allow, ask every time it wants permission, or allow only when using the app. So 3 different options there. And you would do the same thing for the microphone setting as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.